Chad, and I'm going to show you guys how to make some salad dressings. I'm going to do 4 dressings. I'm going to start with a simple Dijon balsamic. I'm going to make a miso ginger, and I'm going to make a strawberry vinaigrette, and then a green goddess. I'll start with the balsamic Dijon first. Take a little Dijon, a little olive oil, balsamic, and then I'm also going to use maple syrup in this. Yeah, I like using maple syrup. It kind of cuts the Dijon and the balsamic. Balsamic's a little sweet, but it's pretty good. So I'm going to do a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. You can always cut that if you're making it for one, like do just a quarter. A 1/4 cup of balsamic. And you can make this in a mason jar. I'm going to do it in the bowl and just whisk it, but I like doing it in a mason jar and I'll just shake it. You can also use those like protein shake balls and put it in your mason jar and it whisks it up. It's pretty amazing, actually. And then 2 tablespoons Dijon. So after the maple syrup, I'll do a little bit of pepper, which sometimes I just grate it or like grind it in. This is already pre-ground and I did like an 1/8 teaspoon. You can just, for this one, yeah, it's to taste for this. I'm gonna do the same with salt. I'm actually just gonna pinch a little salt. It doesn't need that much salt on this. And I use just like Himalayan salt on this. And then I'm just gonna whisk it, but it's good to go. Okay. I'm gonna put a little salad on here. We'll drizzle it on. At home, when I make salad, for the most part, I actually will toss the salad.
The dressing.
Yeah, I'll just like toss it in the bowl.